Hi guys, you didn't miss anything. How are ya? Hope you have a very happy Sunday. A lot of probably outside. We have tornado in our area, so we got a little bit. So I cleaned everything already, and today just very excited live broadcast. So John, what's up, my man? So I'm going live, guys, because it's very cool and it just a lot of makes me so happy. I don't know why. Live, that's cool on YouTube. So the feed you watching, it's actually like youtube.com/C/C for the username DCCTRAIN/live. So that video, theoretically, that broadcast can go to the pool of live YouTube. If you just thinking about live, it's very cool. So anyway, today we talking about who's first time here. I'll just explain everything what we're doing here. First, couple of technical things. I have the very good web camera. It's not wireless. It's connected via USB port to my MacBook Pro computer, and I have to actually put a lot of light on the monitor. This is just regular monitor to get some image. That's the best I can do. I'll probably do something else. I'll capture the image next time. I'm showing you some different information, guys, about that Pi-Sprog and actually full system. But today we're just using this. I got image with the programming capability. So let's just get started. Who again, first time, the company from UK, Sprog, making a computer interface as a digital system. Originally it was planning to do just programming. Now I can using JMRI software, it's free, and now I can run my my digital system, I'm sorry, my layout with that digital system. It was required computer. Right now, I'm not using computer at all, okay? So the Pi-Sprog, it's special board. You can watch my previous videos, okay? Connecting, that's actually on top of that Raspberry Pi. I'm calling it something else, blueberries last time, but it's okay. I'm just so overexcited. So it's connecting on top of the Raspberry Pi 3 with the wireless capability, and that my iPad Mini connects directly wirelessly to the unit, to the wireless network of the Raspberry Pi. Okay, and what you see here, I'll probably start get rid of my face. Maybe it's okay. So maybe zoom. No, I don't want to touch setup. So on the right side of the Pi-Sprog here, actually Raspberry Pi under the board, there is HDMI output for that, just a monitor. And I'm not advertising, please. It's ViewSonic. I just love it. It's inexpensive, probably around 100 and something, $15-20 with discount. I got so good monitor. Usually I'm using it when I'm broadcasting live, okay, or I'm broadcasting anyway. So now the small dongle in the USB port right there, it's a wireless receiver for the wireless keyboard and the mouse. You probably barely see it, but I'll try to move, and it has a little bit delay. I'm not sure is everything correct. No, I need to put actually delay on the mic. Sorry about that. Here we go. So you will see some, so from the beginning of the presentation, my synchronization is not, it's not really bother, but sometimes it is. So you see I'm moving the screen here, okay? Now, when the image starting, everything in startup files, okay? Oh, Larry, what's up, my man? Colorado, oh, nice. You still guys ski season, I guess, even with that weather this year. It's kind of, we have no snow here. It actually was yesterday. Anyway, so when we'll start it. So my plan is today, not much there, yeah, unfortunately. So my presentation today will just go over. I'm like playing like like a kid, first time got something new toy, and I'm just like very excited. Okay, lots of snow. Come on over. Yeah, this is just this isn't, yeah, that's cool, man, thanks. I don't know, we ready for skateboard season. I'm still skateboarding. I kind of just doing like downhill sort of kind of. Anyway, that's cool because everything on the startup files. So you have a couple of choices. If you Linux expert, which is I'm not at all. I'm kind of with computers, yes, but Linux, it's, I probably can understand everything, but I got the image already. So you can buy the image, or you can welcome to build your own image, whatever you like to on a startup file and all that stuff. I got image. So with the programming image, I can use my programming capability of JMRI and program locomotive. Okay, let's see how we're doing on time. Yeah, we'll probably stay for another probably like 20 minutes or so, go over real quick. So you probably like our Rob presentation of about his new engines. That was very excited. And at the store we have tons of those live cameras. Yesterday was just like great day, and we got beer too. For so when I'm asking for consultation, guys, just bring me a good beer, like good German, Czechoslovakian, Czech beer, yeah. Oh, here we go. I see. That's new to me. Valery Valley Railroad. Hello, sir. This gentleman from Russia, from Moscow, and wow, so he used super chat and sent me 40 rubles. I'm not sure how much in dollars, probably like a dollar, less than $1, but thank you very much, sir. So wow, that's appreciation, I guess, of my presentation. Yes, so that's new. YouTube probably trying to put everything that if you like somebody presentation, if you like somebody playing games, whatever, the previous way I got some money, but it was complicated for people to send it. It was like funding or something like this. This is super chat, new for YouTube. I use it once, and that's, I just got some money. Thank you very much for supporting. And let me just explain about Valeria. That's the name of his wife. His name is Vladimir, and his channel, you can go to his channel right now. So it's 66 cents. Minimal payment. Perfect. Thank you very much, sir. 66 cents counting. That's how millionaires becoming millionaires. They counting every single penny. Thanks again. So what Valery doing, Valery is his wife name, my goodness again. Vladimir is N-Scale modeler. He built like beautiful layout in his different, it's called we call it dacha, like small, actually good house, but like outside of the city. You know, people want to go outside the city. We're living in suburban, so who is living in suburban? Sorry, guys, you want to understand. If you're living in the city, you want to go out like every weekend. So he built it in that small house, and he can actually move it around. Okay. So welcome to his channel. I'll do my best not really mess with go to channel. Actually, I will guys put his channel command C. Actually, I can do it right now. Here we go. Yeah, check him out. He's doing everything in Russian, okay? But he has subtitles. All right. If I cannot do it right now, just come. No, I can do it. Here we go. That's his channel. Come back. I will put all links. I'm mentioning my friends or whatever, or who's sending me money, of course. I'll, guys, promote you, no problem. Yeah, he's a very cool guy. So he has subtitles, so you can understand. He's talking about electronics. It's N scale now. He's in. Correct me if I'm wrong, sir. N track. It's like small modules. N track. We're not really familiar with this, but it's very unique. So check his channel. Let's go back to our business. So I'm very excited to see it's finally working, and I'm talking about the programming version. I got it from the manufacturer like a week ago, but something was wrong with the image or something. I just cannot. T-Track. I'm sorry. I'll take it back. It's N-Scale T-Track. Okay. Thanks, sir, very much. Thanks again for the super chat. Here we go. So now I'm trying to go to the, you see again, I'm moving the image. It has slight delay on the screen from the camera, okay, but that's cool. Now, in running, in a command station, I should say, we need to work on terminologies so everybody understand. So this is programming mode. I still can run the engine, and I'll show you right away. I just want to keep the chat open. So now the wireless keyboard, it's Logitech. It's the same set. I probably bought them different time, but I program it, the keyboard, to communicate with that receiver, and mouse as well. Okay, so you see again, I'm moving everything, and there is no computer, just that unit. All right, so I'm typing, already set up the locomotive here, okay, on WiThrottle, and I did the previous, just don't go anywhere after that. Go back to my channel and watch, if you're interested, watch the video about when I just started with this, okay? Couple of like 3 or 4 videos, previous videos. So I'm typing 5500, that's beautiful Intermountain. See, if you, hopefully you can see I typed 5500, okay, here. That's probably the best spot, okay? And I'm clicking set. I have the power already here, okay? And just believe me, the F8 button, turning the sound off, it's kind of gray out, okay? Because it's already setting up. I press it here, so let's unclick it. Bingo, it's starting. I'm not saying a word. Starting the engine. Let me check before I go going anywhere. Oh yeah, pretty cool. So love that starting like Volodya, I'm calling him Volodya, it's like in Russian. Volodya likes. I like it too. It's just so good, that starting procedure. I love it. So now you can see, I hope, with F2. No, keyboard in that case is not working. I'm not sure about even keyboard on the computer. I never use it, but just FYI. Blowing whistle horn, and I'm using the mouse from it's actually not showing feedback here. Here's some hesitation. I move the engine back and forth, you know, and there we go. So let's stop it, and actually I will reboot so you can see how it's rebooting. Okay, I'll stop it. I actually put F8 again, so it quit. Okay, very good. And now I'm going to turn off the system. You see the red thing for the power. Okay, that's indicate my engine. The same thing like your normal, the server WiThrottle is running here, so it's absolutely the same. How's your JMRI running on your computer? Okay, but there is no computer, means standalone computer. Everything in running from Raspberry Pi Pi-Sprog. Excuse me. Now check out the screen. So I'm going to shut it down, and I'm going to reboot the system. Here we go, reboot. Before, so you see all operations on screen. See BlackBerry, I'm calling it BlackBerry, Raspberry Pi logos and all that jazz, blah blah blah, starting up, and you see LEDs flashing over there, some messages of the operating system. Bingo. Now it will boot on the startup boot file. It will start JMRI and WiThrottle. So WiThrottle comes up first, and that's your full version of JMRI. So we using only to program sound decoders mostly, or adjusting a lot of stuff, and I'll show you how I'm going to read address. So the power right now is in yellow, kind of standby mode. I don't know. It says unknown, so it's no power. Same thing as red. Just not seeing what's the real status. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to read type from the decoder. That's important part. Oh, simple. You will see some. You will hear actually some interruption. Maybe light will come on if it's F0 was sitting from the previous. But now it's reading the information from the decoder. Here we go. Sending a couple of more impulses to finalize the ending procedure of reading. And believe me, again, it's active address 5500. Okay, I'm going to change it to 3. Okay, and I'm going to write it. See, you see some different colors here, and now network has disconnected, of course, here because I totally turn it off. So I'm going back with my WiThrottle. It's a good example. I'll show you. So I need to go to my once you've done it, you don't need to do it, but I just give you guys an example of what's going to happen. So I'm connecting directly to the Sprog Pi3 with my wireless network here. Okay, starting WiThrottle and selecting locomotive. Now it's 3 set. Go to locomotive. Of course, it's not gonna work because no power. Still not working. Interesting, good to know. This is live show. that's problem can happen. So settings. Hold on. Action. New throttle. Maybe in that mode it didn't take the address. I don't know. We'll see. Set. Yes, it probably did not. With that combination, it's actually good for testing. So we'll take that power down. Okay, we go to new loco, read decoder, type. Okay, and actually I'm going this time. I'm going to real full view of the programmer. Okay. Yes, so it's, I think I did something wrong. Maybe I change it to 3 here, and I need to probably set to short. Short? Yes. Now right. Ah, that was my mistake, I think. Yes. Bingo. Okay, so good. I was so excited. I should select short address and change it to 3. So it's you can see 3 here. You definitely see it here. Hold on. Make sure you guys. Yeah. So it's 3. It's no mistake. There we go. Hoo-ha. That's good. That's very good. All right. I think we're probably going to wrap it up. Wrap it up. Yes. I'll press F8 to just shut it down. I'll lower the volume because Intermountain did like fantastic job on that speaker position. Oh, Imho videos, guys. Hello, hello. Привет, привет. Okay. I hope you guys fix your all issues with PayPal. I hope, right? Just text me on Vkontakte if you don't mind. Okay. During layout operation session, that's a question from John. During layout operation session, can users easily connect to the Pi-Sprog using WiThrottle without the need to set up using HDMI monitor? Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. This is for the programming mode. The HDMI monitor or whatever monitor or VNC viewer, okay, only for programming mode, or you need to do something about it. Don't need anything like this. You're just starting with the image as a command station, connecting to Pi-Sprog with your mobile device, whatever it is, phone, WiThrottle is for Apple, right? And bingo, good to go. Up to, I don't want to say 15 nodes or something like that. Don't be, I don't want to be like speculating, but I think that's what it is, that it's fully supporting. So I know I actually, next time I will try it. So I have iPhone and I have this guy, and I'll take my kid's phone and we use it. All right, so we'll do like multiple nodes. Means I can hook it up just to see how it's working. You will see all nodes here on WiThrottle server just to monitor it, but you don't need a monitor at all. My another crazy Russian thing, I want to build like small display just to work on that stuff via DisplayPort. but don't worry about it. It will be just for monitoring. Not usually that screen is not sitting here. It's usually on my workbench when I'm doing installation, and easy for me for dual screens, to do broadcasts. Okay, I will answer 2-3 questions, guys, and you can still ask me questions about it after the video process. Takes about hour, maybe less. Just keep your questions in mind and write them down. I'll just summarize everything what we did and call a day. So very happy to see it, and I make mistake and I kind of recover from mistake. This is fully programmable image for Pi-Sprog based on Raspberry Pi 3. Okay, you can get it from us. You can get from any dealer or directly with, of course, you're getting better deal with us or whatever dealers you're dealing. Of course, support your local hobby shop first. But if you're not Linux specialist, unless you have free time, you can mess with it. I still learning. I have tons of different stuff to do. So I'm very happy with Mr. Bill from Sprog. Built that image for me. Okay, so we can sell it to you by itself as a just standalone module Pi-Sprog, or we can sell you the whole system. Юрий Сажаев. Александр, привет. Все интересно пропустил. Посмотрю повтор. Gentleman saying he missed my presentation. Yes, guys, I tried to do it actually yesterday. I just don't have time. So it will be very intensive presentations on in evening on Wednesday, Friday for skill modeling. Unfortunately, also didn't happen. And Saturday and Sunday. You saw yesterday from the store. Okay, use super chat. It's cool. Raspberry Pi sells a 7-inch monitor that connects to the ribbon cable. Yes. Will Pi-Sprog and JMRI run from the monitor? The plan was, I don't have the image again. I'm speculating. Yes, it was the idea also. Right now, I did connect. Здорово, Tisak. I did connect the monitor. I'm sorry, I did connect VNC viewer, okay, with VNC viewer from computer to this, and HDMI output. But when HDMI output not detected or connected the monitor, okay, I'm seeing image probably size of 640 on VNC, and nothing I can do. So it has some feedback what it sees, what the Raspberry Pi output on the settings and adjusting it automatically. Just my 10 cents, okay? So, but yes, there is the plan for third image, or maybe that image will be working on both, on the display, small display via ribbon cable, through display port on the Raspberry Pi board, or HDMI and VLC. But again, one more time, to get full screen on my computer, okay, using VNC viewer, I have to use monitor. But at the same time, I don't really care about the computer connection, so I have the monitor, I have my control input devices, bingo, done. Anyway, so if no more questions, guys, I'll wait like 10 seconds. I think we covered a lot. I'm very happy I recover from that my mistake. And you can see Alexander's iPad on the WiThrottle server. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, guys. Come back with your questions about it. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome, absolutely. So maybe I will do installation tonight. Kind of, I need to do it here in my basement. Today was just crazy at the store with all like poor poor Rob unboxed like 3 boxes, and I help him to ship everything. So guys, bear with me on installation time. I'm not cutting corners, doing 100%. All right. Thanks for coming. Leave a comment, subscribe, and actually with the bell thing. It's not new, but YouTube changed it kind of quietly, you know. So there is like a bell near to subscribe button. If this bell is not active, you probably not getting all my. I might do another video how to set it up, or you can check like how to get the notification on YouTube. Hey, I'll probably do in some presentation. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Thanks for coming. Have a great the rest of the day. I will do a cooking video today later as well on my AK Boost Barbecue channel. AK Boost Barbecue. All right. Just type like this, AK Boost Barbecue. I think I have a link also from my main page to it. Okay, it will be Russians, not Russian, I'm just calling it Russian, old food like shish kebab, like very cool, very famous, popular dish. Okay. Have a good one. Bye.